Regards from Zynext India.
Osteoarthritis can lead to pain. Affected joints might hurt during or after movement, stiffness, tenderness, loss of flexibility, grating sensation, bone spurs and swelling. Zynext brings clinical proven effective joint and cartilage regimen, Regenflex C2. Regenerate flexibility. Each tablet of Regenflex contains UC2 type 2 collagen, 40 mg, Rosehip extract 750 mg, Boswellia serrata extract 307.5 mg, Curcumin extract 100 mg, Hyaluronic acid 100 mg, Devil's claw root extract 100 mg, Astaxanthin 4 mg. A meta-analysis from 92 references 17 clinical trials, conducted on 1,470 patients suggests that Regenflex C2 regenerate cartilage, regenerate synovial fluid, regenerate flexibility. Dosage of Regenflex is 1 tablet OD for 90 days. Regenflex C2 acts on all 3 stages of joint destruction: immune pathway, mechanical pathway and pain pathway.
Regenerate flexibility with Regenflex C2. You can buy Regenflex C2 from Amazon, Flipkart, Geomart or www.zynextindia.shop.